Hey guys, welcome back to Live Your Style. My name is Sharrah, as you guys know, and it is officially fall. This is my favorite time of year because that means the holidays are around the corner. I get to pull out all my cozy sweaters. The weather is gonna kind of get colder here in San Diego. Thank you so much to JCPenney for sponsoring today's video. And I'm going to go to their store and pick out a whole bunch of home decor specifically for fall. Guess what? This year is the first year that I will be hosting Thanksgiving at our home, in a home. We've never had an actual full house before. So I really wanna make sure it feels festive and just like really cozy. And I'm excited to go see what JCPenney has. This will be a part one of a two-part series. The other part of this video will be on JCPenney's channel. I'll tell you about that later. And if you guys want to see that video, I will link it in the description box below. But let's go to JCPenney, let's see what we find, and I'm gonna show you guys all the things. I'm excited. Let's go. Aw, they have fall books. Tyler is gonna be so pleased. You guys, look at this. This is perfect. It's white, it has some of my colors. Look at that sage green. You guys know how I feel about sage green these days. I'd say this is a winner. You're coming home with me, sir. Why, hello, dear. I'm like a little overwhelmed, but in the best way. Look at all this nutcrackers and Christmas. I'm gonna start turning on Christmas music, I think, from here on out. I need like a shopping cart. Do they have shopping carts here? Hello, fall. You guys know me and mini things. I like minis, mini everything. Mini utensils. Oh, these come with a little mitt. This is kind of my color palette. Okay, moving on. So I just got home from JCPenney. Boy, did I get some cool things. Let's go. Sorry, I gotta cover your eyes. Look at me, look at me. Can you see it? Yeah. I know it's a little early, but it's so soft and it's so cozy and you know, it's pretty darn cute. So I got Scout a little outfit. I got me a cute little top. This feels like a blanket, but it looks like I'm ready for a ski chalet. But more importantly, I have a bunch of home decor that I found. Some of it, like I mentioned, is gonna be transitional into winter, and then some of it is just strictly for fall. Bye, Scout. First up, this adorable little door wreath. Look, it's got my colors in it. I'll probably adjust this a little bit before I hang it on the front door. I also got this cute little Hello Autumn tray. I can use it as a tray on a table, or I could hang it on something if I wanted. It's a little more farmhousey than I usually go, but I feel like with fall, you kind of have to embrace your inner farmhouse. I also got this cute little guy. So he has like a little seal on it that says Pumpkin Farms, Pumpkin Patch Farms. I might turn it and just have it like this way because I think that maybe fits a little bit more with my decor. This will be outside so they won't be in the same space, but it kind of like teases the eye and shows you what you're about to see inside. And again, look how good this looks with the sofa. I got a lot of these. Put them in a basket, kind of like falling out of the basket. I could put it on a tray, kind of like falling off the tray with like a cute little pot, you know? And they're neutral colors, so I could use them all year round. I also got this cute little guy. It's a little bit more wintry. I actually made one of these, but it did not turn out as cute as this, so that's nice. And I really love how I can put this on the mantle. I could put this on a bookcase. I got a mini utensil set. really know why I would need a mini one, except that they're just like extra cute. Also, like I mentioned, I'm hosting Thanksgiving for the very first time, so I got a turkey baster because I think I'm gonna need one of those. And it comes with a little bristle brush cleaner and this little, what do they call this thing? Spatula marinator squiggly squaggly brush. I got this little guy. He's a cute little pumpkin. He's got a little sweater on. And out of my kid moving bag, I got this. Trucks and pumpkins. You know how Tyler likes his trucks and trees? Roll the footage.
But the cool thing about JCPenney is they actually have a lot of awesome stuff. And when I say awesome stuff, I mean trucks. Trucks and trees came to be a really nice thematic for me.
That is right. So not only do we have a red car, we now have a white truck. Sorry, a red truck and a white truck. This is probably my favorite thing that I got. I think this is so cute and I can't wait to decorate with this and put it in a bookshelf or maybe on the mantle or maybe in Tyler's bathroom. So that's what I got for decor. And I mentioned I got this cute little sweater. I also wanted to show you two other things I got. I got this cute little sweater with a zip in the middle. And I also got this corduroy jacket. And I love the corduroy material for fall. And then I love this color. All in all, I think I got a lot of really cool stuff. I'm excited to decorate with it. I encourage you guys, if you're looking to add some fall decor to your home, check out what JCPenney has first because they do have a ton of stuff. I feel like when you shop for holiday, you only have the holiday stuff out for a short season of time, so you don't really want to spend a ton of money. And JCPenney always has such great deals and amazing value in their products. A lot of the time they have amazing sales and then they have coupons on top of that take the sale price even lower. I feel like the prices I end up getting when I check out are just like unreal. If you guys want to see me complete the decorating process, I'm actually gonna be uploading a video on JCPenney's channel. And I would love it if you guys went over and watched it. So if you need some tips for decorating for fall, go over to their channel and check out the video and leave a comment and let them know you're from my channel. I would love the support and love for you guys to watch it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little fall decor haul. It's kind of fun to go shopping with you guys and show you what I got. Thanks for tuning in. You guys, I forgot to tell you something very, very important. Okay, so starting November 1st, this channel name is actually gonna change. We're gonna become the Kinwoven Home channel. So if you see my channel name look different, don't be alarmed. It's gonna be called the Kinwoven Home. It's not happening for about 3 more weeks, but I wanted to let you guys know so when it does happen, you're excited about it and you know it's coming and you guys will all know exactly who it is you're subscribed to when you see the Kinwoven Home pop up on your feed. Okay? Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.